Here, you know, we're fucking hard, despite whatever the fuck we got going on. This is what we love to do, man. This is why we come here to get better. To get better. I want to be the fucking best, the biggest, bro.
Worrying about form is so redundant, bro. I'm going in there and I'm fucking training hard, having fun.
Chance for you, cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show me.
It's not good. If that's not good enough, I wish I looked like you, bro. I'm your fucking twin brother, bro.
Yeah, you close to
far for a second.
You can't just chill and have a good, nice fucking listen.
No, like I want to listen to some Katy Perry and shit.
What the future holds after a hurricane comes a rainbow.
This is the crucible, brody. We're here to get better. 2 gym bros. We just like y'all, for real. So like, we just lifting. We like looking sick, being some sick farty cunts, and that's what we do, and that's what we gonna do. Every rep fucking counts. You don't think it does? Every calorie counts. Every fucking molecule. Come on.